I don't go into the attic much. I suppose only when I've got to get something out of it or put something in. And with those vents, guys, it's been a few months now since they've been in. I think I put the first lot in December sometime, and then the next lot in January. I'll stick the dates here or something. And I did put the second lot of vents in because there was still some really noticeable condensation after the first lot had gone in. So second lot went in, not really been back in there since. And we went away on a cruise. Those are the safety boats.
Mixed variety show.
But just then, that one, I'm telling you, was taking a beating. Look at that there. Do you know what I mean? It's going like down. I'm pretty sure ours is not doing that. 11:30 when I'm out here, side of the cruise ship right here.
I'm always going to bring, I'm going to bring the...
That is so... Show you pictures.
Come on.
And now we're back. Today's been quite a steamy day, let's say. You know, there's been showers, and my shower is stuck on hot, by the way. So I might do a fix video on that next. Wish me luck. It's one thing after the other, innit? Anyway, so yeah, showers on full hot heat, so you can imagine the steam from that. And things have been washing and drying and blah blah blah. Plus it's still cold, like, you know, it only just snowed like last week, didn't it? So still cold. It's still condensation weather. It's about 8 degrees, 9 degrees. And with that, let's go up into the attic. Let's see what the condensation is saying. In fact, the longer I wait here, the more condensed it should be up there, because there's steam in the air from the shower, which was like just now. Here we go. Do I have to turn this? Oh, I've got to turn it. Have I got to turn it? No, we're going, guys. We're going, lads and lasses. One-handed up the ladder, carrying a luggage. Health and safety, eat your heart out, pal. There we go, one sec. So we're going to see this together now, guys. Please let there be no condensation. Please let there be no condensation. Right, let me say, well, I'll just put this luggage bag out of the way and stick the light on. Alright, one sec. Where's the light switch? Let me put my hand in. There we go. Right, let's get this bag out of the way. Let's just chuck it anywhere. Come on. Hey. Alright, up there. Should have just jabbed my leg on the ladder. Right, guys, welcome to my absolutely bone dry attic. Look at the state of this. Not a drop. Not a drop, guys. Not a drop, not a hint of it. I used to have puddle marks down here. I used to have drops of water on these bags here, telling me that water had been here. I am telling you guys, bone dry. Bone dry, guys. Nothing, not a peep, not a smidge. I just wish that I had known about this sooner. I wish I knew about the problem sooner. I didn't even know it was occurring. Do you know how I found out? I opened this like hatch thing for the attic, and I kid you not, it poured. It rained on me. I was like, what is this? And then my investigation that found that, yeah, it's roof condensation. This insulation stuff, this weird like membrane stuff. But yeah, I'm telling you guys, it was a lot of water that came out, like, and then after that was all this condensed like mad over here. But I am very happy to report, guys, very happy, in fact ecstatic. Such a cheap, simple fix, and it works. I mean, I can tell you this is a true test. Like, as of late, it has been a true test, right? Because it's still cold temperatures. Okay. It's even more steamy in the house because that shower is stuck on hot. Do you know what I mean? So it's really testing these vents and stuff. And it's mad because it's literally just a case of ventilation. That's it. So if this membrane wasn't fitted as tightly as it is, then the air could get through that gap and it'd work. All these vents are doing are creating a sag in that membrane. That's all it's doing. And letting air go through. I just find that crazy. Such a simple thing, and had I not found it, had I perhaps never entered this attic, that would have led to a very, very costly repair. Like, your roof's gone, isn't it? Your roof is gone. You know what I mean? A proper costly repair. So if you've got any people who, you know, have never checked their attic, let them know about this. Anyone who's getting a new build or whatever, bought a new build, just get them to check their attic, okay? Especially when it's been like winter, or, you know, the colder months and heating's been on and washing's been going and all that. Things that'll cause condensation. Just make sure they check it, give it a once over. Again, link in description for the vents that I've used. And yeah, they work. The second lot of vents that I've bought, I believe they're the better ones. Okay, so they're the first lot. That's where the curve on it is towards the ground. Okay, just let me see if I can get that. Yeah, so the curve is towards the ground, so it's like a, let's call it like a smile. Yeah, give me a sec, I'll if I get a bit closer. Like a smile, it's like a U shape almost, a very subtle U. All right, whereas the other ones are like that. Instead, it's upset. The curve is on the top, curve on top versus curve on the bottom. I recommend curve on top, guys. That's my recommendation to you. I'm no expert, but now I've tested these and stuff and I've used them now, and curve on top is the way to go. That upward curve is the way to go. That's what I reckon anyway. And again, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope I've helped somebody out there. So save your roof and just get these vents in. Alternatively, it's a case of sorting that membrane out for it to be the way it should be, or it's a case of fitting a more expensive membrane which just lets this condensation happen. But somebody else said in one of my other comments that if you're going to do that, you might as well do that at the time when you're replacing your roof. So whether that's the wood or the slates or whatever, you want to do that at that time. There's no point taking this membrane off and messing with it if you're not replacing your roof. Right, guys, thanks again. And the verdict on these, yes, they do work. They work. They work beautifully. I can't believe how bone dry it is. And look at my layout. There you go. So just for reference, there's my layout. Okay, so look, there are the vents, staggered around. Have a look around, see where they are. Just for yourself, they're staggered around. Okay, see that? They're staggered around. Look at that side. Stagger them when you put them in. All right. and that side's not got as many on as this side has. So anyway, thanks again guys, hope I've helped, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you later, take care of yourselves, and bye bye.